Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I just got home from my husband's doctor's appointment and kakauwi ko lang. Tapos wala akong makeup. Wala talaga. May bags ko. Wala pa akong tulog. I just went straight from work. No sleep yet. And then we have to go to the appointment. We stayed there for a good 4 hours. Madilim na and I wanted to film something for you guys. So, chill lang tayo and I'm gonna be doing Taglish because I wanna go back to my roots kasi English na ako na English lately. So, we're gonna do Get to Know Me Tag. Okay, first question, what is your hobbies? Hobbies ko, mga hamsters ko, I really love them. I love taking care of them. Just in case you don't know, may nakasurvive nga na 2 pups na anak ni Ruby. Hinanped ko sila since 9 days sila. Now they're 1 year and few days old. 1 year, 1 month and few days old. Also, I do love doing makeup, watching movies, or sleeping pag may time. Talagang bumabawi ako ng tulog. Do you collect anything? Yes, my makeup. Let me just show you my palettes. Palettes pa lang yan ah. Ayan. Ando naabot na sa ceiling. Kaya marami talaga akong collections ng makeup. Hawakan ko na nga lang. Okay, what are you passionate about? Of course, cooking, makeup, hamster, and spending time with my family. And what is your most prized possession? My loved ones, my family, and the hamster. What is the greatest accomplishment of your life? Being a mother, still providing for them, working, and just trying to survive every day because life is not really easy lately. Diba? What is on your bucket list? Wala akong ganyan. I don't do bucket list. I just live at the moment. What is your favorite recent memory? Wala. What is your best childhood memories? Siyempre yung mga wala ka pang problema, yung lalaro ka lang, inosente ka lang. What is your favorite holiday? Halloween. Who knows you best? The people that knows me best are the people that I welcome in my life. Not really my family, relative ha. Kasi may mga relatives ako na they still know the old me. They don't know the new me. What family members are you closest to? My husband and my kids. And my sister, Peppy. And my cousin, Jaja. What skill would you most like to learn? Ano ba? Wala akong maisip ha. Wala akong maisip. Tapos ito ha, naisip ko lang, ano ang hindi ko gusto sa pagiging Pilipino? Yung mga taong hindi makontento sa anong nakita nila. Yung tipong pag nakakita ng mataba, magpapayat. Pag nakita ng payat, magpataba. Pag nakita ng maputi, magpaitim. Pag maitim, magpaputi. Pag retokada, pag pangit, magparitoke. Tapos pag retokada na, lalaitim pa din. Tapos pag walang boyfriend, hahanapan kahit ayaw naman. Tapos pag may asawa, aagawin naman. Ano ang gugulo? Hindi nyo nalang tanggapin yung tao kung ano sila, di ba? Yun yung nakakairita. Saka yung unang kita nyo palang, sasabihin taba-taba mo. Naman ganyan. Di ba? Parang, hello. Masaya siya di ba? Tapos, what makes you unique? Everything. Siguro yung pagiging bingi ko. Alam ko maraming bingi, pero okay, at least nakakapagsalita pa ako. Tapos, naging part na siya ng personality ko. Who is your hero? My grandma. Who is the smartest person you ever met? Na na-meet ko talaga. Mga anak ko. Hindi ako makapaniwala, anak ko sila. Sobrang tatalino nila. What is one thing that instantly make your day better? Pag may masaya kaming lakad ng mga bata, yung buo kaming apat. Kasi, lagi may conflict sa schedule. Kaya, pag nakaka-gimmick kami ng magkakasama kami, accomplishment na yun. Lalo na pag may mga holidays na nagkakasama kami. Kasi most of the time, we work during the holidays. What did you first feel like? When did you first feel like an adult? Nung naging mommy ako. Whose opinion do you care most about? Yung mga malalapit sa buhay ko. Like my best friend Winnie, si Karen, si Ritz. Other than my husband, my kids, Peppy, my cousin, yan. Mga few people, but reliable. What is the most important decision you have ever made so far? Just being strong every day. Kasi, tao lang tayo. We have days when sobrang struggle. But, yung ginugusto mo pa rin mabuhay sa hirap ng buhay, accomplishment na yan. Aside from necessities, what one thing you could not go a day without? Hindi ko kaya hindi maligo. Kailangan nililigo ko lagi. What do you enjoy spending money on? My kids, my family, and my makeup, and my hamsters. What is something that always makes you smile? Yung family ko, saka mga hamis ko, saka yung mga friends ko na okay sila. Yan. What are you most thankful for? Everything. I tendency most people, they always focus on the negative, but always find something to be grateful for. That's what I always tell myself. Yung tipong pagliligo ko, thank you for the hot water. Pag nakakain ako, thank you for the food. Pag nagising ka, thank you for this day. Or pag nakauwi ka na safe from anywhere, thank you for, getting home safe. Mga ganun. What are you most looking forward to? Ngayon, tulog. Kasi wala pa akong tulog talaga. Ito yung mga eyebags ko. Diyos ko. Hindi ko pa nag-costume ng Halloween. What do you wish most people understand about you? Wala. Kasi, no matter what naman, people will always say something regardless. So, I really don't care about what they think. I really don't. What is the greatest challenge or struggle you have ever faced? Ayoko na pag-usapan pa at nalagpasan ko na naman. What is the biggest risk you ever took? Nung nag-move ako from California to Connecticut and from Connecticut to California. What is the most ridiculous nightmare you have ever had? Ay naku, madami. That's an embarrassing story, okay. Kasi hindi ako talaga lumalabas nung bata ako. Hindi ako gala. So, one time may nag-ask ng date sa akin. Tapos kumain kami sa parang Korean something. Yung niluluto sa harap mo. That time, hindi pa ako familiar sa ganun. May mga nakaupo din dun sa, sa tabi namin. Bineso-beso ko isa-isa. Tapos sabi ko, hi, hello, ganyan. Tapos pagdating ko dun sa katabi ko, yung kasama ko, sabi niya sa akin, kilala mo? Ako, hindi, kala ko kaibigan mo eh. Siyempre, umalis na kami kasi nakakaya naman kumain na nakatingin sila lahat sa akin. Tataka sila, ba't ko sila kinis, diba? Tapos, if pet could talk, what do you think they might say about you? I'm the best. Tell your life story in exactly one sentence. Happy. What is your favorite random fact about? Wala ko maisip. What is your useless talent? Singing. Kasi, I used to sing before, kaso na-damage yung voice ko. Kaya kahit ngayon na, di ba? Para akong laging malat. Kasi ni-radiation yung thyroid ko. Kaya, ay, may extra skin ako dito. So, useless na kahit gusto ko kumanta. If you could choose one superpower, what would it be? To read people's mind. Have you ever met a celebrity? Which celebrity would you like to meet? I've met a lot of celebrities before, especially Filipino ones. If I would like to meet one, Madam Facer. Sino pa ba? What is the grossest thing you would do for 100? Wala. 100 lang? Hindi, no, wala. What actor would you choose to play in your biopic? Wala akong maisip. Siguro si Aiko na lang. What is your most random impulse buy? Makeup and hamster. What is the best Halloween costume you have ever wore? Madami. Pero talagang nag-all out ako nung nag-bride of Chucky ako. Chucky's bride. Talaga nag-wedding gown talaga ako. Tapos sa work pa yun, ha? What is the dumbest way you injured yourself? When I tried to commit suicide. When I was really, really young. And I still have the scar. See? And, you know, it's not a solution. It's really not. And you really have to have God in your life. Kasi kung wala kang fear sa Diyos, wala kang tiwala sa Diyos, at wala kang guidance ng Diyos, maliligaw ka talaga. If you see me, it will be easy for you to think I'm a villain. Kasi bitch face ako, tapos tahimik lang ako lagi, tapos bingi pa ako, minsan kinakausap na pala ako, hindi ko pa alam. So, it's easy for people to believe that I'm not nice. Kasi I'm very straightforward. Yung pag hindi kita gusto, hindi talaga kita gusto. Kung hindi kita feel kausapin, hindi talaga kita feel kausapin. Tapos kung tatalayan mo ako, lalabanan kita. So, mahirap paniwalaan sa kanila na mabait ako. Pero yung mga totoong taong nakakakilala sa akin, alam yun. So, that's what matters. What is the most ridiculous thing you believe as a child? Si Santa. Si Santa. How do you waste time most often? Pag may dapat kang gawin tapos hindi mo ginawa. What is the worst outfit you ever wore? Maternity clothes. Do you have a significant other? Yes, my beep. I call him beep. Kasi we've known each other since 7 years old. Tapos, lagi na ako nakikitang tumatakbo sa corridor. Tapos, lagi ako may ginugulpe ng bata ako. So, instead of calling me Roadrunner, beep beep, beep beep, yun. Kaya beep beep tawagan namin. Do you have kids? Yes, I have 2 boys. Who do you live with? My 2 boys and my husband and my hamsters. What is the best place you have ever traveled to? New York. Saan ba kami napunta nun? Sa Maryland, sa Philadelphia, around the States lang. Yung sa Philippines naman, yung nagpalawan ako, the best. What kind of elderly person do you hope to be? Yung cool, chill lang na matanda. Ayoko maging grouchy, ayoko maging masungit na matanda. Gusto ko yung cool ka pa rin. What book changed your life? The Holy Bible. Do you prefer to exercise? No. What's your favorite song? Sa ngayon, alam mo, ang tagal na pala nung kantang yun, pero ngayon ko lang narinig. Ano ba yun? Kay Sam Smith yun eh. Kakapadala ko lang doon sa best friend ko kay Winnie. Oh my God, hindi ko matandaan yung title. Paano ko ba titignan? Ito. Titignan ko sa isang phone ko, ha? Gamit ko kasi isang phone ko, tapos gamit ko tong isang phone din para tignan kung anong kanta yon para lang masagot itong tanang. Lay Me Down. Lay Me Down. What do you dislike that everyone seems to like? Hang out with people they don't like. You know, when they talk ill about somebody and they hang out at the same time, parang sa akin parang okay, parang you just talking shit about that person, tapos ngayon pagdating para kung wala sinabi, wala akong respeto sa mga taong ganun, kasi ako talagang pag ayoko kahit mag-hi pa siya yung hi, dead ma talaga, wala akong pakialam. Describe yourself in 3 words. I am extreme. Either I'm too nice or I'm too mean. I'm never in between. If you won the lottery, what would you do first? Buy a house. What is your favorite cocktail? I don't drink. What are you allergic to? Fake people. What's your favorite color? Purple, black. Marami eh. Pero I'm drawn to purple. Sometimes may mga shade ng yellow na gusto ko. And green. And gray. But mostly purple. What are you afraid of? Hindi ako takot mamatay. Ba't takot akong mamatay nang hindi handa yung pamilya ko? What's your favorite snack? Chocolate. Especially laptops. Mas gusto ko talaga yung mga local. Nandito yan sa tabi ko kasi pag nanonood ako dito sa iPad, makain ako dito sa kwarto. Who is the best cartoon character? Tasmanian Devil, and of course, Jack Skellington. What is the coolest thing you have ever made? My kids. And some creative makeup I did. If you could redesign your bedroom, what would you add? Lahat sana Jack Skellington. What's your favorite toy? Si Iyoy. Meron akong stuffed toy nun eh, unggoy. Pangalan niya Iyoy. Dinala ko yun dito sa States. Nakarating na States yun ah. Pero hindi ko alam kung ginawa ng nanay ko doon. Nakakasara. Pinamigay siguro. If you could speak to one deceased person for 30 seconds, who would it be and what would you say? My lola, my grandma. I'm gonna ask her to stay. Because I really miss her. Alam mo yun, may mga tao kasi na magkakaroon talaga ng impact sa buhay mo. Yung talagang kahit gaano na sila katagal nawala. Hinahanap mo sila. Lola ko yun. Sa kay aso ko, si Tutsi. Sabi ko kay Tutsi, Tutsi, my love. If you could switch lives with any one person for one day, who would you choose? Total, di naman mangyayari, pero one day gusto ko lang maranasan yung buhay ni J-Lo. Tapos yung one day na yon, natatransfer ko lahat ng pera na sa bank account ko. Whose death hits you hard? My grandma. What is your biggest regret to date? I don't regret. I really don't. Uh, do you believe that people can change? Hindi lahat. Sadly, hindi lahat. But yes, pwede, but hindi lahat. Where do you think you go when you die? I think si God na magde-decide. Pero sabi ko naman kay God, okay na hindi ako mapunta sa langit. Basta mapunta na ako sa Rainbow Bridge, okay na ako kasama yung mga hamsters ko. What do you think is the meaning of life? Living it to the fullest. Doing what you like. Yung hindi mo kailangan maging marangya, hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman. Yung kontento ka lang. Kasi mahirap sa mga tao nowadays maging kontento. Hindi sa wala kang pangarap o wala kang ambisyon. Yung naniniwala ka lang na hindi ka pababayaan ng Diyos, saka alam mong nagawa mo yung mga gusto mong gawin ng araw na yun. Yung masaya yung mga taong kasama mo. Kasi ayoko ng ayoko na magulo. How do you take your coffee? Black with sugar, siyempre. What is your funniest work story to date? The one that keeps talking shit about me and still being friendly to me. How weird. It's so weird. Describe the most interesting coworker you have worked with. Winnie, my best friend. What inspires you? What motivates you? My kids and family. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? Matulog. But siyempre gusto ko rin ng makapag-create ng makeup. Actually, gusto ko mag-makeup ngayon. Kaso ayoko talaga pag ring light. So, anyway, wala na akong masyadong nakikitang magandang tanong dito. If you could take a class with any expert, who would you choose? Hindi who, pero gusto ko sanang maging forensic investigator. Kaya lang ayoko i-risk yung buhay ng mga anak ko. Baka sila yung balikan ng mga kriminal. Describe your dream field trip. Gusto ko mapunta sa Japan kasama yung buong pamilya ko. Kasi gusto ko hanapin yung ramen na pinadala ng tito Lito ko sa akin nung bata ko. Alam mo hanggang ngayon pag iniisip ko siya, nalalasahan ko pa rin siya. Ang dami ko nang nakain ng ramen after that, pero yun talaga yung the best. Gusto ko talagang matikman ulit yun. Babaw, no? So yun, that's it. I hope you enjoy this kahit na walang kwenta yung mga tinanong nila sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako ulit gagawa ng ganito. So, thank you for joining me na mag-chill-chill lang kasi talagang tamad na ako at malamang matutulog na ako. O mamaya gagawa ko ng makeup, bahala na si Lord. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you again next time. Peace out. Bye.